Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Chevy Equinox headrests. First, locate the two plastic collars at the base of each headrest post. You'll notice a small button on one of these collars. Press this button firmly to release the internal locking mechanism. While holding the button down, gently pull the headrest upward a few inches. This initial lift helps prepare for the next step. Now, shift your attention to the other headrest post. You'll find a similar, often less obvious, release button or lever on its collar. Press this second button with your other hand. It might require a bit more pressure. Continue to pull the headrest upward as you press this second release. This action fully disengages both locking mechanisms. With both buttons pressed and the locks disengaged, you can now gently pull the headrest completely out of its mounting holes. Be sure to pull it straight up to avoid any binding. Once removed, store your headrest in a safe, secure place where it won't be damaged. Reinstalling it is simply the reverse of these steps. For easier access, you might find it helpful to recline the seat back slightly before you begin. Always avoid using excessive force, as this could damage the headrest posts or the seat itself. Take your time and be patient with the process. Remember, reinstallation is straightforward. Just align the posts and push down until they click into place. Also, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.